I'm turning my garage into a gingerbread house this holiday season, and it all starts with Gingerbread and the ginger girl he's sweet on. I traced a gingerbread man cutout onto heavy cardstock and then propped the cutout in front of a light source to project a larger image onto a 1-inch foam insulation sheet. Art was never my thing, but I can trace at a 3rd grade level. I took the foam panel outside, and with a smooth filed blade, I brought Gingerbread into the world with my Heart 20-volt jigsaw. This combination of jigsaw and non-serrated blade is the best method for cutting foam insulation panels. It cuts the foam with high precision and leaves a silky smooth edge. I want to give a shout out to my friends at Heart Tools for sponsoring this project. I liberated Fred from his foam cell prison, traced him onto a sheet of 2-inch foam, and then again used my jigsaw to cut out his carbon copy. You can certainly get away with a 1-inch thick gingerbread man or woman, but size matters and thickness counts when they have to live outside in the elements. Next, I coated both cutouts with spray adhesive, squeezed on some foam board adhesive, and then mated Fred's 2 halves. Fred was now an impressive 3 inches thick. I used my random orbit sander to smooth out the 2 halves, and then I painted Fred and his newly constructed companion, I'll call her Ginger, with a nice gingerbread cookie brown color. The next day, I used spray foam to mimic the icing that Fred and Ginger would normally wear. Note that spray foam yellows in the sun, so after it hardened, I painted it white. To make Fred and Ginger stand out at night, I wrapped them with outdoor strip lights, and then I added a shimmering bow to Ginger's hair and gave Fred a smart and snappy bow tie. Let's see how I did. Well, Fred sure seems excited, and why shouldn't he be? Ginger's a real looker. She looks worried? I just hope Fred behaves himself. The whole neighborhood is watching. Follow for more holiday fun as the shrimp and I bring this gingerbread house to life.